In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name and address on your Google Ads account. Whether you're going through a rebranding or simply need to update your existing details, this guide will walk you through each step to make the process as seamless as possible. So, let's dive in. To begin with, head over to the Google Ads website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to log into your Google Ads account. If you're not automatically signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main hub where you'll find various options related to your account. Here you'll see different categories and tools pertinent to your advertising campaigns. For today's task, we'll focus on updating the billing section where your business information resides. Next, look for the billing option in the menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to another page that handles everything related to payments and billing information. Once you're on the billing page, the next step is to find the settings option. This is typically found within the billing menu itself. Click on settings to continue. In the settings section, you'll need to locate and click on payer details. This is crucial as it holds the information regarding the financial aspects of your account, including your business name and address. Once you're on the payer details page, you'll see several options related to your organization. Now it's time to edit your business name. Look for the section that says organization name and click on it. This should allow you to modify the current name to whatever new name you want to update it to. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors before saving the changes. Once that's done, you'll want to update your business address. Find the section labeled organization address, click on it and update your address accordingly. Again, ensure all the details are accurate and reflect your current business location. This not only helps with proper billing, but also aligns with any regulatory requirements. Finally, after making these updates, review your changes to ensure all information is correctly entered. Having consistent and correct details is crucial for your branding and billing processes, especially when using a platform like Google Ads. And that's it, you've successfully updated your business name and address on your Google Ads account. By following these steps, your account will accurately reflect your business's latest identity and location, setting you up for smooth transactions and consistent branding. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.